been to Texas if you haven't been to Buc-ee's.
Oh, is that what your shirt says? Huh? Texas? Ooh.
Yeah.
This place is like the Disneyland of this beaver. It is crazy.
Oh, penny press machine.
Yeah. I'm gonna choose the one I want. And look how much it costs.
What?
It only costs 51 cents. So I don't go into loss. For my honeymoon latte.
Oh, it's because we just stopped by. They just stopped by there. All right, Summer Moon Coffee.
So now we're going to Waco.
Let's see.
That's our little container.
Okay, we're doing this. Tiny home.
Look at that.
I want to know how much square feet is this?
Look at this. I'm on my bean bag and I can almost reach. Oh, look.
Oh.
Okay, my bathroom. It's so cute. Look at that. Look at that.
Yeah, my shoulders are barely wide enough to enter. Okay, it's a barn door. There's our bed.
It's not king size.
I don't even know if it's queen.
It's a queen. It's a queen.
Okay.
No,
I'm barely wide enough to fit this.
So we're gonna be cuddling.
You know it.
Look at that. See?
Alright, and we paid a premium for this.
Yeah. Okay. See, Shaheen? See how nice this is?
Alright, where are we at, Boo Boo?
We're at the side.
Oh, okay. So what are we about to get?
We're about to get cupcakes. I'm probably gonna get cookies. And look, I got this water.
I see. Alright, you excited?
I am so excited. So Shaheen told me not to buy a sofa. I said I can't buy a sofa.
You got it? Awesome. Alright, we got here 6 in the morning.
It is 5:58. Thank you very
Hoping
much.
to avoid a line out the door.
As Chip says, breakfast is the most important of the day. I got a seat at the table, just like it says. There's always a seat at the table.
Okay. So far, pretty nice. Pretty nice.
Hey, where are we at?
We're at the table. We're at the Magnolia table.
What did we order?
Just some chai right now.
Okay.
So,
Okay.
but yeah, it's empty, so we're gonna be walking around soon.
I know, taking pictures. We get the VIP experience. Look, nobody here. And nobody here. Alright. Alright, we got matcha. Such a morning bird. I was like, I gotta get here before it gets super busy. More people coming in. Alright, we continue the tour. Got the little cookbooks. And let me go check this sign. The restroom. This is more seating. This place is so pretty. This is making me love the whole little farmhouse vibes. So you can host a little party back here with these tables. Oh look, there's me. Alright, now. Make our way back. Yeah. What just came?
Hey, I got got my crunchy French toast in the morning.
Oh, what's this?
It has cornflakes on it, and that's my tater tots.
That's some fancy tater tots. And bon appetit.
All right. What just came?
I got strawberry shortcake pancakes, and I got cheesy grits right here.
What we have here is a stamp hunter. How you doing, stamp hunter?
Hi.
You got all your stamps?
I'm almost there.
Still collecting
I'm
stamps?
still collecting stamps. I'm like in Disneyland for grown women.
Okay. All right. The hunt for more stamps continues. All right. We're in Houston, Galleria Mall.
There is Christian Louboutin.
There
right
is.
They don't have my size.
They don't.
My feet too big. All right, where are we?
Mania.
Before that though, where are we?
We're in H-Town.
We're in H-Town. All right, and then what is all this? And what kind of food trucks though? Oh, hello. Hello, food trucks.
First meal in Houston.
Oh God.
How is it? How is it?
It's so good that I just asked the guy to bring me some chicken liver on the side.
What's this place called?
I forgot.
Barbar. Houston, baby. We came to a halal Thai restaurant. This is what, day 3? Let's check it out.
Oh boy. Oh boy.
Halal Thai, baby.
Awesome.
Alright, we came to the Top Gun shooting range. Put your shoulder in it.
Whenever you're ready. Nice.
Alright.
So we just finished shooting and now we came.
I shot very well, so I have to come get a massage now.
Okay, we're about to go on this tram tour at NASA.
Also, I'm representing right here.
Already? The real deal. Rodeo day. Where are you going? You going to the rodeo?
Got it.
She got her penny at the rodeo.
Coach John Davis in the house tonight from CSI College of Southern Idaho. Yeah. Good, Mitchell.
Started our morning with that cardio workout. That was a stroll down the hill. Sure y'all noticed this, but it's pretty important. So let's make sure we're all on the same page, okay? Elephant to
much appreciated when it comes time to doing their feet. And when we start out, we'll start out here on their cuticles, around their toenails. They grow down, but we want to keep them up off of their nail. So we'll take our brass, just file in an upward motion all the way around her nail.
Oh, I see what you mean. Beautiful.
Wow. Wow.
Look at